my people, what's up? We are live. Welcome to What's Cooking with Chef Noel. Welcome, welcome. Another week we are live. And this week we're making some Scotch Bonnet Chicken Parmesan with some plantain mashed potatoes. So we're gonna add some ripe plantain to some potatoes. We're gonna mash that with some cream, salt, pepper, some margarine. Then we're gonna make some chicken parm, of course, with some Scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, you know what I like with Scotch bonnet pepper, right? And remember, you can follow me on Instagram at I am Chef Noel. Go follow me on Instagram, and you can check my website at cuisinebynoel.com. And remember, you can always get my book on Amazon, right? So let's get started. We're gonna get cooking. So if you're just joining, welcome again, welcome again. So we're doing some chicken parm, quick and easy. Hey Simone, hey sis, what's up? So we're doing some chicken parm. I'm gonna add some Scotch bonnet to it, you know. We like with pepper, right? So we're stealing a little of the Italian style, a little, and Jamaicanizing it to our own little flavor, right? And as I said earlier, we're gonna do a plantain mash. So remember to share the video to your friends and your family. Tell them Chef Noel is on. Hey Donna, what's up, Donna? Alright, so I got some water over here boiling. We're gonna peel our potatoes, and we got a plantain over here. You know, we like our plantain, right? So we like to incorporate it in everything that we do. And I think the last time I did this mash, I used coconut milk, I think. I used coconut milk. So I was using 2 potatoes that I got in the fridge. I'm basically using up what I got in my fridge. I'm like, hey, what can I make today? I said, okay, I got some chicken breasts. I said, okay, I got some Parmesan cheese. I look, I saw potatoes. Then I said, okay, I got some plantain there. And then the menu just came by. So what I wanted to do actually was to use, I got some Scotch bonnet powder that I wanted to use in my breading, which would have been perfect, but it was a last minute decision and I can't find it. I can't find it, so I'm gonna use some Scotch bonnet sauce that I have. So if you have access to Scotch bonnet powder, you can always use it in your breading. It's better for the breading because at least you will get it right. Hey, what's up my people, what's up, welcome. I'm gonna use like half the plantain. Use a little rinsey. So I got some salted water over here boiling. Quick pot today. And then we got our plantain now. We need the rest of plantain. I think I do. What you guys drinking? What you guys cooking? What's up? Where you watching from? You know I'm gonna ask that, right? The number one question. What you cooking today? What's cooking in your kitchen? I already told you what I'm cooking. So that's how I actually started What's Cooking with Chef Noel, right? So people always ask me, hey chef, what's cooking, what's cooking? So in 2016, I started my YouTube channel called What's Cooking with Chef Noel. So that way people could actually come and see, you know, what's cooking. That's how the whole idea came about with What's Cooking with Chef Noel. Because people always ask, chef, what's cooking, what's cooking? I'm like, okay, come on over to YouTube and find out what's cooking. That's how the name came about since 2016. Simone is in Jamaica, enjoying the tropics. Alright, so I'm going to do now, we got the potatoes on and the seasoned rice. Whoa, I love seasoned rice. Some salt fish, and I put a little, you know, of course, the chicken, but nice seasoned rice, you know, the fried dry. Pumpkin and the ackee, I call Caesar rice a national Jamaican rice because it has the ackee, it has the saltfish, which is our national dish. So I call it the national rice, of course. Not rice and peas. And so many other country, you know, has their own version of rice and peas or rice and bean, or seasoned rice is very unique to us, right? Liver and rice. I see Jamaican stew pork, rice and peas, tossed salad, mad thing I go on. Jacksonville, Florida and house. Donna Richards. Alright, Maryland, see a steam fish everything there. Marcia. Washington DC. Alright, so we got some egg here. Gonna add some milk to this. So we got 2 eggs and, you know, just a little milk. And we're gonna add a little salt to this. Some days I'm well organized and the next day I'm like, I'm just gonna wing it. Like today was a busy day. So I was like running to like get my setup going. I can't find my black pepper thingy. So some salt and black pepper in this. So we're gonna season our bread in right throughout. Then I'm gonna use some flour over here. Same thing, a little salt and pepper, same way. So that way your breading is not fresh. And then your meat has a different flavor. You know, you try to make everything as nice as possible. Then I like to use a little panko and I mix the cheese now in this. This is my good one. I think I got a different one. Like some of these are too brown, man. So by the time you start to fry, they get dark. The Japanese one is actually good. It's more white, so by the time you start to fry, it get nice and golden. Lucy's doing some snapper. And then we're gonna add our Parmesan cheese now to this. Okay, so Parmesan cheese is in the breading now. That's so we're gonna do flour, then we're gonna do egg, and then this is the last coating. So there's much cheese in your coating, so enough cheese as you want. So by the time we start to fry these and everything, then boom, we just, you know, that's ready, mash that, dinner is ready. Make a quick sauce, and we're good to go. And we good to go. Alright, so we're gonna season our chicken now over here. So I got 2 chicken breasts here. And what I did, I cut these, so call this butterfly, so I cut it in 2. And I use my little mallet and mallet it so it's not too thick. So it can fry pretty easily. If it's too thick, then you know that it's going to take a longer time to fry. The outside is going to get brown quickly, and you don't want that. So what you can also do is fry these a little in oil until they're golden. Then you finish them off in the oven, right? So we added some black pepper to this. And in my egg mixture, I'm gonna add the Scotch Bonnet. We can also put some on this to get the meat, you know, spicy. So we said it's a Scotch Bonnet chicken parm, right? The Scotch Bonnet chicken parm. What else we got? Let's get a little paprika on that. I don't want too much seasoning on this. You just want a nice little salt and pepper, not too much season for your chicken parm. rub up this enough, rub it up, make sure it's well marinated. Remember, you can always do this ahead of time, right? Hey, thanks, Lucy. So salt, some pepper, some paprika, and the hot sauce is on the chicken. Ooh. I'm gonna put a little parsley, a little dried parsley now in the in this. I like to see a little, a little green. You can use some fresh thyme leaves if you got some of that, Jamaicanize it, right? Jamaicanize it. Is that paprika? Oh yeah, it is. Smoked paprika. Hey Angela. I like smoked paprika. So what we'll do now is, we have our breading station usually, so we start from this side. So with our protein, we got some flour, then our moisture here, which is the egg. If you don't want to use egg, you can just use a little milk or some water. If there's an allergy or something, or you're vegan, yeah. So what I'm making, I think I made a description at the top of the video. So if you're not seeing it, we're doing a Scotch Bonnet Parmesan chicken and a plantain mashed potato. You can just join in. Sometimes it don't save, the caption don't save, so I understand. So once I'm finished, then I'll go back and then I'll just fix it. Yeah, so you want to bread your chicken nicely. You can always do these and freeze these, right? So you can do these tonight, put these in the freezer tomorrow, kind of vibe. If you got some extra time tonight, but you're going to be busy tomorrow. And then you just bread these now. Or if it's something that you like, you can always, keep it in your freezer. Yeah, pretty much that's it. So you get a nice amount of Parmesan on your chicken and a nice little breading. You put them over there now. Let's do the next one. And we're finished. Let's move this out the way. Get some clean hands. And we're ready now to fry. Let me get my temperature on my oil. Hey Ricardo. It's plantain mashed potato, so it's plantain with potato when you mash those together. So potato mashed plantain, plantain mashed potato, same thing. All you want to know is plantain and potato. And you could use sweet potato as well, but the sweet potato is sweeter than the plantain is sweet, so that might clash a little. If you roast them, then it's not so bad if you roast them. Yeah, so you make it look easy. No man. So our plantain already cooked over here, and potatoes almost. So I want potatoes to cook as soft as possible so we can have a nice creamy mash. So let's fry our chicken now. So if you're just joining, this is chicken that we have breaded, seasoned it with salt, some pepper, some paprika, and a little hot pepper sauce on it. I wanted to use my Scotch Bonnet powder in the breading, but I can't find it. So if you have some, you can always do that. And then I bread these in some egg, in some flour. I season with salt and pepper, then in some egg wash, which is egg and milk, and then in the panko and parmesan, right? So let's test the temperature. Yeah, it's hot, yeah. Alright, nice temperature there. Get some more. So you don't want to go too high for temperature, right? You can want the inside to cook. As I said earlier, we can always rest these inside the oven. Get some more temperature on this. Yeah, the caption is there. Caption says she can't wait to eat. Yeah, so this is getting nice and golden, not too high of a flame. I'm doing like a medium flame. Because trust me, these will burn so fast. Because of the cheese, right? So this is something you want to monitor when you're doing it. This one is not in the recipe book. It's not in the book. It's not. Nothing. So we're going to use some margarine, some garlic. I'm going to use coconut milk in the mash. So instead of regular cream, we use some coconut cream. Using my canned one, of course. For those of you who have your grated coconut in the fridge, or your grated coconut milk thing in the fridge, like Simone, I know Simone might have some natural. Whew. My next thing over here, flip. Yes, Simone might have some coconut milk in her fridge. Yes, sorry guys. Yes, I was saying that I'm just using my canned coconut milk. But for those of you who have your coconut, your natural thing in your fridge, that's perfect. People like Simone, I know, will have her coconut milk in her fridge that she already squeezed and all the good things them. I'm not like Simone, so I gotta use my canned milk. And then all we need now, these can rest. So you mallet it, it's thin, so it can cook right through, but if it's not, you can always rest it in the oven. Oh no, there's no, it's not in the book. You see, you don't want it to get too dark, so let's rest them over there. Do the next one. So you see it's thin. So when this one is finished, we're going to rest them in the oven for like a few minutes, and then we should be good to go. And then we're going to make a quick sauce, you know, just I got some tomato sauce, I got some cream sauce. We can make a tomato cream sauce with that. We can always add some pesto to it. I like a little pesto. So we're having an Italian dinner today. We're having an Italian dinner today, guys. Chicken parm with so we need some tomato sauce with some cream sauce and some pesto in that. And where's my tray? Tray is ready for my chicken. Oil on it. So while these are in the oven now, then I can have time now to mash the potato and we're good to go. You can always make some veg with this, whatever veg you like, some carrots, some broccoli, some cauliflower. Any coconut milk is good. I don't really use it the Thai coconut. It's too watery. It's a bit cheaper, but it's watery though. It's a bit watery, so I don't really use that one. The Grace one is not so bad. It's not bad. They fall off, but they came back. I must say. It's not bad. I know some people have a brand that they like, right? Hey Jody. This have a nice golden color on this one. Not bad. And we'll just put this in the oven now. And these are your chicken parm, and these are going inside the oven. I'm at 350 for like 5 minutes thereabout. Because those are thin, we fried them already, plus you don't want your chicken to all dry, right? You want to have some moisture. So let's make our sauce now, then we're going to do our mash. So remember last week before last we did the lasagna. I showed you guys I have some canned stuff, right? Or some bottled stuff. And I did the bottled cream sauce and tomato sauce. I got some leaf. So I'm going to mix these together for my sauce. So if you have these, that you bought when the start of the whole pandemic, and you still have it and you're looking ways to get rid of it, here's another way that you can use your sauce. So that's some cream sauce, tomato sauce. And I got some pesto over here. Usually once summer is finished, I'll make like pesto because I have some basil. So maybe sometime next week I'm making my basil, my pesto that I always do. But when you live in this side of the world, man, it's hard sometimes to get all of the things you really need fresh. And there's a certain time when basil is so expensive as well. And then I want to add some fresh garlic to this, lively it up a little. Lively up yourself. So someone is taking notes, so you can take notes of the sauce, take notes of the chicken. For those who need the recipe and asking. So it's tomato sauce, cream sauce, some garlic, and some basil. No salt is needed, no pepper is needed, it's good. The cream sauce, you know, has enough salt in it. It's a nice little balance to the chicken parm. I can't find my mash. Alright, so we're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Alright, so potatoes ready and the plantains. So this is ripe plantain and we got some Irish potato inside the pot. Right, so we're gonna strain off the excess liquid. I can't find my colander. Maybe the next kitchen. So we're gonna use a strainer. Same purpose, right? Alright, so we got all the liquid off now. Just add a little garlic to that, not much. Not too much. You could always melt the butter and add to it as well. Go easier instead of, if it's tough, sauce can turn off. I like the margarine, so this margarine I'm using. Then I would just add a little salt to that. A little black pepper to it. And I will just add a little of the coconut milk now to it. And we mash away until it's nice and creamy. See, if you have excess ripe plantain that's even going super ripe, this is a great way that you can use it. Have you guys tried plantain fritters? Like when we do the banana fritters, you do plantain fritters. Yes, Lucy. So it's all mashed together nice and so we don't want it too watery, just nice and creamy and smooth. So once you boil it for a long time, then it should be really smooth. Once you're mashing it and then you add enough cream and stuff to it. And it won't be too sweet because the Irish potato will cut down the sweetness from the plantain. So we're almost ready to plate up. We can always make, like as I was saying earlier, some veggies. So can do some roasted veg with this. Something like that, right? Oh, George, she did once. Kitchen is hot. So there's a check on our chicken parm now. We are cooking away. And these are our chicken parm. So I preheated my oven earlier, so. And of course you can always use your thermometer, right? And check. I told you guys to get thermometers. Go to the dollar store. Some sauteed green beans. Oh, you mean? Or some asparagus. It would be good. So these are pretty good, yeah. Using my black plate. So ready to plate up now, guys. Ready to plate up. I got some asparagus I could do. I got stuff, but my asparagus, they're old. They're old, they're not fresh. Which I need to use up. So we can do a nice salad maybe on the side, kind of vibe. Alright, so I'm gonna be a little fancy dancy. Show you guys a little different way you can do a little plate up. So of course you can go to the dollar store, get some piping bag, right? For those of you who live abroad. For those of you in Jamaica can go to Azan and Bashco, the store that give you more. This is not a commercial. But once you say Bashco, you gotta say the rest. Alright? And then now, so you can just do some nice plating. Kind of vibe. You wanna do one big one, you wanna do two. So just pipe it up nice on it, you know. Make it look fancy dance like a restaurant, you there. And it's a big star tip I'm using. Or if you want, you could, you know, go next way. Let me show you next way. So you guys learn a lot of skills over here now. So we'll take up this now. You guys learn lots of skills. If you want, now we could roly-poly, right? Kind of vibe. Roly-poly. Alright, so I want to work with that today. Right, you guys like that? And then we got our chicken here. You can always slice your chicken. You can leave it as is. I'm gonna leave as is. We're gonna treat it like a pork chop. It's looking like a pork chop. It's looking like a pork chop, so we'll treat it like one. Oh God, my plate needs some veg. My plate needs some veg, guys. It's blah. Yeah, and then now we got you guys seen good? Yeah, and then we got our tomato sauce now, and we just run it across there. If you want, you can go around the plate, kind of vibe. If you want to get master chef fancy, you know, taste sauce anyhow you like it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it today, guys. A little something something. So there you have your Scotch Bonnet Chicken Parm, and you got your plantain and mashed potato, or plantain mashed potato. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. I got some lettuce and stuff, but you know, really and truly, we need some hot veg on here. We don't need to put on like a cold salad on it, right? Salad should eat by itself, really. So if I put some cold salad on this, like, you know, our salad itself, then it's like I'm committing a culinary crime. I'm committing a crime. Right? So, we could put a little here, so then. And I don't want to go to food jail. I don't want to go to food jail. got some tomatoes. If you're at home, of course, you would eat like this, right? You would put your salad and everything on the same plate. And then, of course, you put a little cucumber and, you know. So if you're having a date night, you know, somebody driving over, somebody stopping by, your crush coming to see you, it's a nice thing. You just grab some potatoes from the fridge, some plantain, you have some chicken. You make a chicken parma and they think they're eating at the Marriott or at, you know, somewhere in Manhattan. And it's all simple. Simple, right? Nothing fancy. Hey, Jennifer Murray. And remember, there's a piping bag, the piping tip, and we roly-poly, roly-poly, roly-poly. And our chicken parm there, a little salad there. And you get put, you know, some dressing on it. You're good to go. Put some pecans or something, something. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Remember, you can go check out my page, Cuisine by Noel, Chef Noel Cunningham. I think it's there in the link, as well as YouTube for some more videos. And you know, my website is there, cuisinbynoel.com. Amazon, the book is there. The book is there on Amazon. Bon appetit. The book is there on Amazon as well, so you can go get it. You can get the jerk marinade on my website. Bam, bam, bam. Alright, so who is watching? Who is ready? So quickly, tell me 5 dishes I have done so far on the show, and you can win yourself 2 bottles of jerk marinade. Quickly, tell me 5 dishes I've made on the show already. 5 dishes. Anybody? Anybody? Name 5 dishes I've made on the show since you've been watching. Except for this one. Well, if you want to name this one, fine. 5 dishes. Counting down to 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Alright, 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7. Nobody? 5 dishes that I've done on the show. Come on, fingers. Come on, fingers. Come on, fingers. Velma says steamed fish. 5 of them. I didn't do garlic shrimp. No. Curry beef. Yes, that's last week. Put 5 of them same place. Put 5 of them. Type 5 of them same place. Aki plantain. Fried. Oh Lord, you all let me down. We'll do this competition again next week. That's too much time. Alright, so think about it. I might ask a question again. So next week we'll do the competition. Since you guys slow, I thought you guys were on your game. I told you guys last week that we're going to do a competition this week, and I could ask what are some of the dishes that we did, and we did a revision. We did a revision last week. Barbie fried chicken, I think we did that early. Pepper shrimp, curried beef, steamed fish. Sheena, you lit. Sheena lit. But Sheena should know other dishes. Buttermilk chicken, Asian stir fry, lasagna, curry shrimp. On a late, man, on a late. So that's a good practice. So make sure you guys pay attention. So next week, so last week we did curry beef. This week we did the chicken parm. We did the coconut braised chicken. We did the seafood stew peas. We did what else? The steamed fish. We did the we do steamed fish and okra. We did so many dishes. It's since April been going. The lasagna, the lo mein. We did tomato rice. Sheena said this tracker. Alright, next week it's still on. This Sunday I'm actually giving away 2 of these on my page. So you can submit a picture of your dinner, and the person with the most votes or the most reaction will win. Alright, so even though summer is over, you still can get your jerk on, right? And it's smoking hot, so you get a taste of smoke in the oven same way. Alright, and it's available on the website. What time is it? Alright, thank you guys for watching. It's 6:45. I'm in Toronto. Sheena, disappointed in you. Hey, June. No other season yet, apart from the jerk, but you know, working on some more stuff for the 2021. We're just trying to get out of 2020, you know, and then 2021 roll out all the good things them. Welcome to all the first time viewers from across the world. Yeah man, welcome to all the first time, you know, viewers. We are live every Wednesday at this time, 6 p.m. my time in Toronto. If you're in Jamaica, it's 5 p.m. You know, so I got my British people on. So the season will be in Jamaica as of November. First week in November, it will be in Jamaica. And I'm going to give a number. So you can contact through my website, message on my Facebook. I'm going to give a number for Jamaica where you can get it. It's not in stores. So it's just like a pickup kind of vibe or drop off kind of vibe. Hopefully soon we'll have it in stores. Yeah? Alright, so bless up on yourself. Thanks my people.